Good evening, everybody. So this is what we got going on in South Dakota tonight. We have got a lot of heavy snow, and it's going to keep coming down for a couple hours. And then tomorrow, it's supposed to be in the 40s. And there's one of my horses underneath this awesome carport. That's Kevin. I'll just do a little video of me driving back over to my house, and everybody enjoyed the video of the beautiful snow. Oh, there goes the snowplow. There it goes. I haven't checked and see if they canceled school yet. You should catch his lights coming out here. We should be able to see him driving down the road. Oh, maybe not. It is coming down good. Boy, I hope I don't go in the ditch. I didn't quite clean off my headlights, but I kind of know where I'm going. It is coming down good. I said we're only supposed to get a couple inches, but I think we're getting a little bit more. Sure is fun though. It's just like Christmas time. Here's the big house. And now we're going down to my house. The big house is where my son lives. There's my camper. It's a great camper. Really like it. I think I'll keep it for a couple years. Did not have any slide outs, but the way it was designed inside, it was very spacious. The bathroom was actually in the middle. It's kind of cool. All right, let's see if I can get turned around here without running into the propane tank. Everybody have a good day, good evening, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.